I got all the plastic off, wiped all the residue off a little bit. Took a look back here and I realized I'm not quite ready to paint yet. I didn't do my final sand and block out with a guide coat, as you can see. But it's close. The quarters are closer than the trunk. So I'll go ahead and work on that. And I gotta cover up the top so I don't get it dirty and nasty. I wanted to let it sit another week though, to make sure it's all cured and all the chemicals are out before I cover it. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. Cleaned up the garage a little bit. Got a long way to go.